don't understand what the game's thinking. Like, I've beaten every single enemy it's thrown me against. I haven't even taken 1 damage. Haha. At last, a worthy opponent. Oh. Okay, first things first. Come on, game. Do you think I'm gonna fall for that? You're gonna try to deafen me so that way I can die to your guy. Please. The game thinks I'm an amateur. I'm a amateur. Now, how to deal with this? Oh. I get it. What? What? Die, bitch. Oh, I guess I'm walking away now. No need for an armadillo to be attacking me. Alright. For real this time, though. I'm walking away. Sure would suck if someone were to attack me while I'm walking away right now. Alright, is there any other attacks I can do? I'm hitting all the buttons on my keyboard. Okay, but yeah. Can I like do a down swap? Is that different? No, it's the same thing. How about... Oh my god, he even beat my special move! Wait, let's try this. Die, bitch! Oh my god, I'm gonna fucking kill this thing. Oh, for real this time though. I'm walking away. Can't hit me from over here. If I back into him, there's no way he'll be able to... I'm gonna... Oh! I have to launch the... Ah! You know what? You know what? I don't even care about this boss. I don't even care about this boss. This boss is fucking stupid.